The DJI Air 3S introduces significant upgrades, positioning it as an impressive drone for enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with both a 1-inch primary sensor and a 70mm telephoto lens, the Air 3S captures sharp images across various light conditions, including low-light environments. This model incorporates DJI's latest LiDAR-based obstacle sensing, particularly enhancing nighttime flying safety by identifying obstacles in the forward direction. In testing, the Air 3S navigated well through dense foliage and maintained clear, detailed shots, even in challenging conditions like direct sunlight and variable lighting. The Air 3S supports 10-bit 1080p 60fps transmission for high-quality remote footage. Battery life is a standout feature, with up to 45 minutes per charge, providing roughly 38 minutes under typical flying conditions. DJI's Fly More combo extends usability with power-accumulating charging hubs, ideal for extended sessions. With a max speed of 45 miles per hour in sport mode, although obstacle detection is disabled here, the Air 3S remains agile and stable in various conditions, showcasing DJI's refined 04 transmission system. Overall, for photographers and videographers who need versatile, high-quality footage with advanced obstacle detection, the Air 3S delivers a powerful package that balances performance with usability. Thank you so much.